Hi there, welcome back to our channel. My name is Irene. Thank you for watching this video. Adroit Architecture, this is your go-to place for all architectural services, both residential and commercial. If this is your first time watching our videos, thank you very much for watching. And if you have been watching our videos, you've been with us, thank you very much for your continued support. We kindly ask you to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. We really would like to have you join our family and support us even more by actually subscribing to our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you the Amani 3-bedroom bungalow house plan. The Amani 3-bedroom bungalow house plan is a nice medium-sized bungalow that would be perfect for a small family. One good strength of small bungalow home designs is the good utilization of space. Here are a few key features to highlight in this home design. This house plan has a medium size and also has a very slightly pitched roof. With the size and that roof structure, it is very affordable to build. This makes it a good choice for first-time home owners with a tight budget or someone looking to build a smaller house upcountry or anywhere else. If you're looking to build a modest home for your parents, this would be a very good plan for you. You only need a small piece of land to implement this design, so it works very well for limited budget and limited land. This home has a semi-enclosed front entrance porch that brings you into the lounge. The lounge is decent in size with a fireplace, making it ideal for you to build in cold climates. Sliding doors lead you from the lounge to the side terrace. This is an amazing space that in effect extends your lounge to the outdoors. It is great for entertaining and for just hanging out. Next to the lounge, you have a decent sized dining area. And ahead of the dining area, you have a kitchen. You can choose to have a dividing wall between the kitchen and the dining room. This wall can also be omitted to give you an open plan setup. The kitchen has a cabinet pantry. This is just big enough for a home of this size without taking up too much space. From the kitchen, you have a door that takes you to the side kitchen terrace. At the terrace, you have your dobby area, and this is basically your cleaning area. It would also be the perfect place for you to have your hanging lights. You have 2 bedrooms that are sized for 2 occupants. You can fit in 2 beds, 2 reading tables, and of course enough closet space for the 2 occupants. These 2 bedrooms also share a bathroom. The bathroom and the toilet in this design have been separated for ease of use. The toilet as well as the sink serve the 2 bedrooms but are also easily accessible to your guests. The master bedroom sits right at the back for maximum privacy. It is pretty spacious with its own dresser space as well as a bathroom. If the dresser space is not something you like, that space can easily be converted into a small home office or a work area. As I mentioned earlier, the Amani 3-bedroom bungalow house plan is a small design with a small footprint. The plinth dimension of this house is 8.8 meters by 15.7 meters. It has a total of 123 square meters and it can be built on a 40 by 80 piece of land. The cost of construction for this home design as we record this video is approximately 4.9 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the cost of construction. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. A big disclaimer on the cost of construction, it changes very quickly, so when you are considering building this home design, it is prudent for you to get in touch with us for us to give you the current cost of construction. And that is the Amani 3-bedroom bungalow house plan with a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 cloakroom. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions or any queries, we have provided our contact details below. Get in touch with us. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, to share it with your friends. I'll see you in our next video.